Hello, James here. I'm going to show you how to clean your computer or your screen. And what you need is a dampened bit of tissue paper, just damp, a little bit of water, a brush to remove the dust, and just an ordinary sponge. We don't use the green bit, we just use the yellow bit. Okay, so I'm just going to put those on the side for now. Okay, so first thing we need to do is remove the excess dust because we don't want to scratch the screen. So I've just got a paintbrush here. I'm just going to go across that like so. And then I'm going to come running here. Now, I've got my computer on. I advise that you turn the computer off because obviously if you get any water into your computer, it's going to break it. But for this demonstration purpose, and I've done it so many times and I feel quite confident, I'm not going to actually do anything to my computer. So there. So the next thing we need to do is just get the sponge, and all we're going to do is give it a little spray on the sponge. Obviously don't spray it over the computer, so I'm just going to give it a little spray away. So I've actually just moistened the sponge, as you can see here, and then all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go over the screen and you can see what's happening here, and then I just leave it only for about 10 or 20 seconds. While that's penetrating there, I now go on my keyboard and I'm using the sponge to get in between the actual numbers and letters on the keypad. And I'm just going to go up and down, 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 and around. And I'm just going to leave that like so for maybe 10 seconds. I'll then go back over my screen, go back over my computer. Okay. And then with the moistened paper towel, I just buff it up like so. And we're just going to go in here, and you can see that's just taking all that excess moisture off. And then we go inside here. But please try this. Do this obviously when the PC is off. But this is just showing you exactly how easy it is, and it will bring that screen pristine, as you can see. I'm just going to get that moisture off and then just let it dry in there. I'm just getting a bit of air on it just a bit, and get in there like so. You can see like so, and that is how you clean a computer screen. I hope this helps. Thank you.